Tell me what's going on.
So it's an '08 Acura. It's have 130,000 miles on it. And the disclosure of the seller says okay, it's to reverse, but it's only doing 40 or 50 miles per hour, and it's going to go any faster. It doesn't matter how hard you press on the gas. I thought it sounded like a solenoid problem, but I wonder if I should go forward with it because I want to spend $5,000-7,000 to replace the whole transmission.
Right.
I got opinion on it. You should do something like maybe minor, like a solenoid problem or some fluid, transmission fluid problem. Then I might try to go forward with it.
Let me ask you this. Is the check engine light on? Are there any codes in the computer?
Thing is, I actually don't have that. I'm just contacting the guys, and I haven't seen the car yet. And that's all the information I know. I didn't ask him if there's any code or anything. Check engine light. I assume with this car problem, there should be a check engine light or there's a code already, but I just don't know what is the code is. Because I haven't had a chance.
So they didn't diagnose the problem as of yet. Is that correct?
He just noticed that it doesn't do any faster, and he just decided to save it.
Okay. Well, could it be something simple? 100%. It could be something a lot more expensive. Absolutely. If you want to avoid an expensive repair bill, I would put the brakes on the whole thing until you find out what's wrong. I would bring it to a professional repair facility or a transmission shop that specializes in transmissions, and I would have them diagnose the problem so you know exactly what's wrong. So that way they can tell you with 100% certainty, this is what's wrong and this is how much it's going to take to fix. We've seen this a million times. It's only $150 to fix. Well, then sure. Well, then go ahead with the repair. Or no, you need a whole transmission replacement or rebuild or overhaul. So it's going to be $1,800 minimum. So without knowing that information, it's hard for you to make a decision because we don't have all the facts, right?
So with the information we have so far, meaning like it does drive at 40, 50 miles per hour, and eventually it doesn't go into any faster. To your expert opinion, do you think that it's something major or just something minor?
It could, well, like I said before, it could be either one. It could be both. It could be something simple or it could be something complex. There's no way that's going to be enough information to diagnose the problem. It's not going to work that way. It's got to go to a shop and they need to run some tests.
I guess. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like me to recommend some shops in your area or maybe a mobile mechanic in your area? Would that help?
No, because they're just out taking 2 hours to get to the guy. So.
All right. Well, if you change your mind, just let me know. I'll be happy to help.
Okay.
All right. Good luck. Bye.